Should I tear down the barn? It was originally built in the 1760s with hand-hewn timbers, but has been rebuilt at least 2 times since then. Although it looks good from a distance, there are structural issues that will make it too expensive to repair. Most of the timbers and some of the barn boards are in good condition, so I found some people from Maine that would tear it down in exchange for the wood. The crew from Maine started by stripping off clapboards and sheathing planks one section at a time. Once all of the first floorboards were taken down, they brought in a bigger crew and removed all of the diagonal bracing. They attached chains to the barn as high as they could reach, and attached the other end to their truck and started pulling. After several attempts, the barn came down. The demolition came to a standstill for about 5 weeks. It turns out that head guy on the crew had some serious health issues and would be unable to finish the job. My best option at this point was to hire an excavator to get the job done. I still wanted to salvage as much wood from the barn as I could. The operator was very good. He peeled the metal roof off and stacked all of the timbers in a pile for me. My building project includes a pole basement. As they dug out for the cellar hole, they hit the water table. I wanted the hole to be dug about a foot deeper, but the water was coming in too fast. We used a larger PVC perimeter drain to accommodate the extra water, and backfilled the hole with a foot of 1-inch stone. Check out my next video, where I build my foundation with insulated concrete forms.